Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Ulster bank account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar. Now over here what you have to do is type in ulsterbank.co.uk. Search for it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Ulster Bank. You'll be able to find the option for login over here. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. You can either log in with your customer number or card number. If you want to log in with your card number, make sure card number option is selected. After that you'll be able to log in with your card number. If you want to log in with your customer number, simply tap on the option customer number. After that you'll be able to log in with customer number. Simply tap on the field customer number. Now simply enter the customer number over here. If you have forgotten it, you can tap on the option forgotten your login details. After that you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credential, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be asked to provide 3 random characters from both your PIN and password. Do as prompted and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Ulster bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.